I made my first $1,000 on Instagram with only 500 followers. And today, I am going to share how you can do the same. Hey creators, if you're posting consistently but not making money yet, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you simple, proven ways to make money on Instagram, even with a small audience. Let's get started. 1. Work with brands as a micro-influencer. You don't need 100K followers to land brand deals. Even with a few thousand followers, your audience is likely more engaged than bigger accounts. Brands love that. Instead of waiting for them to reach out, start pitching yourself. Show them your engagement. Likes, comments, shares. If you have 1,000 followers but get 100 likes and real conversations in the comments, that's a big deal. Brands will pay for that engagement. 2. Make money with affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest ways to earn. You don't need a brand deal. Just share products you already use and love. Join affiliate programs in your niche, like fitness, fashion, or tech. Every time someone buys through your link, you get a commission. Even if you have 500 followers, if they trust you, they'll buy. Keep your links in one spot, like Linktree, to make it easy for them. 3. Sell your own products or services. This was my turning point. Think about what your audience always asks you about or what you're good at. I started with a simple $17 guide solving a specific problem. It wasn't fancy, but provided real value and sold well even with under 1,000 followers. 4th, run sponsored giveaways. Giveaways aren't just for big influencers. Partner with small brands in your niche and offer something valuable. People love free stuff, and this helps you grow your audience and engagement. More engagement equals more brand deals. 5. Use Instagram's built-in monetization. Instagram now lets you make money directly from your followers. You can offer Instagram subscriptions for exclusive content or enable badges on live streams so people can support you with small tips. Even with a small, loyal audience, this can add up. Finally, here's something I really want to emphasize. Be patient and stay true to creating high-quality content. Earning money on Instagram journey will be less about getting rich overnight. It's about building real relationships with your followers and offering them value. To help you further, I have compiled a guide explaining how to sell on Instagram. Link in description below. And for more such tips, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.